Hey guys, welcome to Vet Ranch. I'm Dr. Wendy, and this is our newest case. This little guy was found abandoned in a parking lot this weekend in the storms and the rain, so we don't know if he got lost, we don't know what happened, but he was flea infested. He does have intestinal parasites. He's pretty thin, pretty lethargic, and we noticed this morning that he had a little bit of blood in his stool and then it turned to diarrhea. So we did do a parvo test on him and he did come back as parvo positive. So it's a pretty nasty virus, basically causes sloughing of the intestines. And so you see vomiting, diarrhea, dehydration. Basically, we're going to do some supportive care for him, get him some IV fluids, get some antibiotics, some pain meds, and some anti-nausea meds, and hopefully get him to perk up a little bit and feel better. Okay, so day 3. Hi Wilson! We've named him Wilson, and he is eating and drinking and not vomiting it up. Still a little bit of diarrhea. Hi buddy! Hi buddy! Oh, we got a mean dog in the back, huh? Hi Wilson! There we go. Oh, still a little perking up a little bit, so I think we're not quite out of the woods, but almost. As you can see, this little guy is obviously feeling much better. Come here. Took about a week, and IV fluids, antibiotics, and pain meds, but he has done great. Come here. And he is actually going to his new home. So he has been adopted. So thanks again, everyone, and we'll see you on the next case.